I like reading books. ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ Taking a look at the tones, which I know is a huge surprise to you. ผม rising tone. ชอบ falling tone. อ่าน that's a low tone. And then we have two rising tones. This is one word. หนังสือ is one word. หนัง and then สือ. Now, you heard on สือ, the second half of the word, I tightened my throat up just a little bit. หนัง, no tightness at all. หนัง, and then สือ, both rising. Listen closely. หนังสือ
ฉันชอบอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบอ่านหนังสือ
ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ
ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ
Let's take a look at this sentence, break it down, and see what these words mean. ผม means I or me. ชอบ falling tone. ชอบ Now that final bit, this BP on the end here, ชอบ you're going for a B, but you don't let it sustain and you kind of stop it with a P. ชอบ it means to like. So ผมชอบ means I like. On, low tone. On means to read. Or in this case, I like reading. หนังสือ is books. ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ So, repeat after me. ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ ผมชอบอ่านหนังสือ
And you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com